Hi, so in this video, we are talking about a job that is for the USDA Agricultural Research Service. They need window and steel door replacements for Building 1, Building 2, and Building 3 for the Coastal Plains Soil, Water, and Plant Research Center, which is located in Florence, South Carolina. So this project is crucial in upgrading and improving the building efficiency, safety, and the aesthetic appeal. My team has put together a thorough plan to ensure we can see what all the details are for this project. We can also see what the costs will be and what plan must be followed for the best cost effectiveness. The scope of work consists of the following: removing and properly disposing of the existing windows in all three buildings, installing energy efficient windows also in all three buildings, repairing of wall sections that have been weather damaged in Building 2, installing 2 steel doors in Building 3, sealing and finishing the installed windows and doors, as well as repairing any interior and exterior finishes that were impacted during the installation process. For this project, the material specifications are as follows: Vitro architectural glass for the energy efficient windows, Dowsil silicone weatherproofing sealant or equivalent, Sherman-Williams Pro Industrial HPA semi-gloss paint for the finishing, high quality steel doors with the hinges and lock mechanisms for each door replacement, and all the materials are selected per the scope of work. Okay, let's take a look at the timeline. So if you are wondering, this is a suggestion so that you can mobilize this job. The estimator believes that the job can be completed in about 30 days, and the way that he ran this down was per building. If you look at the spreadsheet, it gives you the work that needs to be done on Building 1, and then it moves on to Building 2, and then it goes to Building 3, and all of this adds up to the 30 days that are suggested by my estimator to get this job completed. Okay, let's look at the cost breakdown. The estimator did a breakdown by building, just like in our suggested timeline, and it shows the cost as the work is being done. So Building 1 shows about $47,000 for this estimate. Building 2 has a cost of about $32,400. Building 3, that includes the steel doors and the installation, totals to about $43,700. Giving the 10% contingency that we allow in our estimates, our total estimate for this job is about $135,500. This includes all material, labor, and unexpected costs, and this is with the intention of using subcontractors to get this work done. Okay, now the summary of what this job is. We are replacing windows, doors, repairing areas that need the repairs, finishing touches to the affected areas from the process of the upgrades, and painting all per the specifications in the USDA in Florence, South Carolina. The estimated cost is about $135,500. The job was awarded at $208,000. This gives us a profit of about $72,500. Remember, this is with the intention of using subcontractors to get the job done. If you are in the business of replacing windows and doors, the labor portion of this job can be reduced significantly and therefore increasing your profit even more. So you're probably wondering, how are these numbers possible? Well, let me tell you. Our federal government owns and maintains nearly 1 million buildings across about 500 agencies. Congress allocates $270 billion a year to maintain these buildings. So what's interesting about this number is that if you take a year and remove all the holidays and all the weekends, there are only about 270 business days in the year, which means every business day our government is trying to award $1 billion worth of federal construction contracts. And guess what? We only have about 25,000 registered federal contractors. And these contractors cannot perform $1 billion worth of construction a day, meaning lots of contracts go with one or no bidders at all. So Federal Construction was created to increase the number of good federal contractors to bridge the gap between all the myths related to performing work for our federal government and the reality that if you can do construction locally, you can be a national federal contractor. This is the reason why I'm creating this content and sharing my videos. The information is out there and it's available. I'm just putting all these numbers together to show you the possibilities. All you need to do is find the tools and the guidance to get this done. Are you ready to get started? Visit us at federal.construction and we'll help you with every step of the way. Yes, you can do it, so let's get started today. As always, I ask you to like, share, comment, and subscribe so I can keep making videos for you. Thank you and have a great day.